Number 30, Palachero.
Hilera kayo, hilera. Yan.
Number 24, Anta. Number 6, Quattro. Number 25, Basilisco. Number 28, Macarayo. Number 20, Cayutato. Number 11, Bacalo. Number 29, Lopez. Number 33, Vito. Number 19, Teresiano. Number 16, Enrico. Number 4, Carrante. And now to the blue team. Ring number 17, Sorrel. Number 31, JP Quino. Number 19, Cogasa. Number 21, Zaton. Number 23, Elvin. Jersey number 9, Tombona. Number 99, Pinaunahan. Number 9, Trakai. Number 29, Mayo. Number 1, Ron. Number 12, Javier. Player sa gitna, lapit kayo, lapit. Player sa gitna. Sorel. 50 to shoot. Sorel for 3. 3 points brought to you by General Metal Container Corporation. Fragi ng Blue. Gori pala, Gori. Easy 2 points by Anda. Rebound by number 19. Brought to you by General Metal Corporation, Corp of the Philippines. Sino kaya magwawagi? Parang team ayaw bumitaw. 50 to shoot. That's silent set. 2-point lead by Blue. 50 to shoot. Green team. And for the blue team, number 19, number 9, number 17, number 25, bakbakan na! Salamat pala sa mga nanonood. Palakpakan natin mga sarili natin, mga sir. Palakpakan natin. Wala pumatrak. Ay, thank you. Salamat. First ball, green ball. Yo, no? 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. It's a traveling violation. Shoutout nga pala sa ating vlogger, si Catholic.
Thank you, Boss Jason.
Sorel. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. It's a traveling violation. Yan ang ating referee. Guest referee natin for today, Macbac Expende. And referee Bullet, Reports! That's brought to you by General Metal Container Corporation. Number 70, 4-3, number... Nakuha ng green. Pass back to number 9. Nice pass! Foul committed by ang pogi ng Basra, number 17. 2 points, rebound by number 8. 6, sorry. Number 13, Dewey Discarte. Pass to number 24, ang piso. Number rebound by Ayus Power. 20. Second team foul. Number 23, pass to number 15. Number 17. 10 to shoot. Agawan, rebound, 40-second shot clock, 17. Time remaining, 7 minutes exactly. Number 19, Logan. Oy, sayang naman. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good. Foul committed by. Time remaining 6 minutes 25 seconds. Sorel. Pass to number 23. Hinaharas si number 14 to shoot. Nice rebound. Good nga lang. Bola ng green ball, number 13.
Nasa likod yung tulog.
Tugtog ka. Foul. Who's fouled? Number 9, hit by the hands. 2 shots.
Our referee for today is from FBBL. Angelito Pocho, one-sided.
One-sided.
First strike. Basket.
One naked legs.
Second try. No good. Rebound by Sorel. Sorel to meet this carpet. Oy, another turnover by the blue. Number 13. It's a beautiful block by Sorel. Pass to 19, 15 to shoot. Stolen. Oh, another turnover by blue. Number 30. Timeout. Blue. pass. 2 points, nakabutas na! To shoot. It's a blocking foul by number.
Oh, kung ano, nakalis na yung
40 to shoot. Number 11. Uy! Saan pupunta yun? Number 21. Foul by number 19. Blue. Second team foul by next 10. Blue. 13 foul, green. Correction, 13 foul pala. 15 to shoot. Green yun, green. It's a blue ball. Number 23. To be discarded. Number 21. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. It's a traveling violation. Waiting to shoot. Jeff Chan ng blue. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 19. Easy, 2 points. Reserve top. Number 13. Ganda ng spin move. Rebound by Sorel. Sorel for 3 nuggets. Rebound by 24. It's a blocking foul. To shoot. It's a traveling. One minute, 25 seconds. Pass to another turnover by Green. 1 minute, 10 seconds. Nice pass para kay number 6. Exactly 1 minute. Senior for 3. No good. Running time. 45 seconds. Ten to shoot. Bola ng Green. 10 to shoot. Five to shoot. Basa na lang po maririnig nyo. Basket count. Number 13 foul. Wala nang jumper. No jumper na. No jumper. No jumper. Basket. Score is 10.
Ayun na, first quarter mga idol. 10-7 ang ating score. Ibor up.
Championship between blue and green. For 3 points brought to you by General Metal Container Corporation. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Sorel. Foul by number 25. Reed. Luis got 15 to shoot. Oy, no good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 33. It's a foul. Number 21. Salamat nga pala sa ating first team foul. First try, no good.
Ito mo ano yun? Laban dito sa bundo.
Tagal na.
Ganda na rebound. Score is foul by 25. Hockey foul. 25 ng Green.
Sinis ko, second personal foul. Second team foul.
Thank you sa ating mga committee. First try, no good. Time remaining 8 minutes and 24 seconds. Second try. Basket. Basket siya para kay number 19. Sorel. Nice block. Uy, nakaaga ulit. Number 11. Pass to number 19. Nice pass. Rebound by. Good. Number 19. 50 to shoot. By number 11, easy to shot. Number 23. Pass to number 29. Pass to number 9. Nice pass para kay number 9.
Sabihan mo, pakita mo ko. Kahit na, pwede sabihan yan.
Kaya, saka lang. Ang ganda ng aga by number 23. Kick ball. Back to the ball game. Number 23. 10 to shoot. Stolen by number 17. Fouled by number 13. Blocky foul.
Third personal foul.
Personal foul. 23. Forever 3 points. That's brought to you by General Metal Container Corporation.
Hihingal ako.
15 to shoot.
Bibigyan na bonus yan.
10 to shoot. Rebound by number 23. Pass to the key player, Jeff Chan. No good. Rebound by. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 17. No good. Foul by number 21.
Gadun, first personal foul. Second team foul by Blue.
Number 4, another turnover. Pass to number 16. Yun lang pinagkaintindihan mo, napapagod na si Sorel. Number 13 to be discarded. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 19 to be discarded. 10 to shoot. Ang piso by number 24.
Handa.
Number 19, no good. Iba by number 11. Good. Number 19. Number 19, to be discarded. Pass to number 24, no good. Iba by number 23. Inaras. No good.
Time out.
Time out!
Foul number 9.
Blue Nation. Time naman yan. Back to the ball game. Time out. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 24, no good. Oy, libre si number 23 doon. Easy 2 points. Another deadlock ulit. All 18. Number 6. Cuarto. Number 13. 10 to shoot. Ang tinyente ng green. Pass to number 25. Basket count. Number 23, ang silent player ng Blue. All 20, 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. It's a traveling violation. Same foot. 1 minute, 50 seconds. 50 to shoot. Easy 2 points by Sorel. Kumakayod na po si Sorel. Ang ganda man ang putback noon by number 25. All 22. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 50 to shoot. Sorel for 3. No good. Rebound by number 21. Another Sorel. Number 9. No good. Oh! It's a blue ball. No good. Rebound by number 20. 40 seconds. 15 to shoot. Ang tinyente nagtitimon. Walang papasahan. Oh, another turnover. Sorel Kinanan. Foul by number 25.
Third personal foul, number 25.
Third personal foul by number 25.
Warning for penalty, green.
Warning for penalty. First drive. Basket. Second try. Basket again. Mamaya na. Good.
Nakapindot ako eh.
10 to shoot.
Okay. Yata.
5 seconds only. Basa na lang po maririnig nyo. Number 20 foul.
Number 20, first personal foul.
Basket.
Good evening, pare Romy.
Second try, no good. Ang score is 22. Lead by the blue. Uy, backing violation, sir. Umapak ka sa ating half court. Nasa front court na po siya. Number 6. Pass to number 90. Same ball. 14 to shoot. Number 6. 10 to shoot. Rebound by number 11. Number 24. No good again. Puro short ang kanyang tira. Sorry, pass to number 21. Good. To shoot. Ang kapablot ng green. Louis Discarte. Pass to number 11. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good. Double dribble by Sorel ng Basra. Walang makakalampas dyan. 7 minutes, 54 seconds. 14 to shoot. Pass to number 24. Kaila kay Sorel. Rebound by grabe naman hasil na ito. Nakakuha ni Pinyo. Oy, another turnover. Foul by number 9. Foul. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Ang galing naman na lusot ni Kabagnot, ngulit wala. Basket count! At may kasama pang foul! Basket count by number 19. Foul si number 19. Bonus try. Rebound by Sorel. Grabe naman si Sorel. Number 11. Number 19. Pass to number 6. Number 6, Dimitris Carte. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. It's a traveling violation.
Tama ako.
Number 31, the Stephen Curry. 15 to shoot. It's a traveling violation. Another turn. Third quarter. Number 11, it's a traveling violation. Same foot landing is a same foot. Pinagbabawal na po ni Chiba yun. Pass. So good. Rebound by. Foul by number 31, Tino. Holding foul. Second team foul. Foul committed by number 31. Hit by the arm.
JT, second personal foul.
Third team foul. Number 19, ang abagnot ng green. Second try. Number
Zakat, personal foul. Second team foul by Green. Pasok by Sir Casa.
second try. Rebound by number 6. Number 6, nag-i-struggle ngayon sa gabing ito. Iyon, nakabutas si number 6. Ang Anthony Edwards ng green. Number 23, pass to Sorel. Nakalusot sa dalawang depensa. Walang problema. Number 19. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Third quarter. 10 to shoot. Napunta kay Piso-Piso. Kay number 24. Anda. To shoot. Rebound by number 20. Who's fouled it? Number 29. Pushing the ball on blue. $15 to shoot. Ang ganda naman ng shot noon. Easy 2 points by number 11. Reserve stop. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan ng blue. Reserve timeout ang blue. 40 to shoot. So another turnover again. Number 11. Pass to Cabagnoy, who's fouled it. Number 20. Cabagnot ng green. Number 19. No good. Second try. No good again. Rebound Nino. Rebound ni Sorel. Three minutes and 25 seconds. 15 to shoot. Same ball. 13 seconds shot clock. Seconds. No good. Rebound. It's a traveling violation. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Uy, nawawala yung bola. Pass to number 63. Sorel. Uy, nakalusot na naman. Ang aso natapikan. Jump ball, violation. Same ball. Same ball. Opening tayo ng third quarter sa green. Blue. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Uy. Jump ball. Bola na ng green. To shoot. Rebound by Sorel. Pass break to number 9. Foul by number 16.
Enrico, first personal foul. First team foul.
Stop. Nakatingin ako dito.
First try, basket.
Alam mo, sino ko lang.
Rebound again by number 9, number 23. Oy! Another turnover. Pass to number 19. Rwanda! Easy 2 points yan! Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Next Gen Blue. Yan ang championship. Sorel, 15 to shoot. Sorel for 3. No hit. Rebound by number 21. Rebound by number 6. Pass back to number 19. Same ball. 18 seconds shot na. Pass to number 19. Number 19, kabagnot ng green. 15 to shoot. Number 6, ganda na pasahan. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Pasa na lang po maririnig nyo. Tumama na rin. Good job. Another shot na. 14 seconds. 10 to shoot. Another 14 seconds. 10 to shoot. 3 points by number 19. This brought to you by General Metal Container Corporation. Foul by number 19. Force. Oras natin. 10 to shoot. It's a traveling violation. 20 to shoot. Shot lock off. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Stop. 4.7 seconds. 4.7 seconds. The score is 33-35, 2-point lead by Green. Sorel. 15 to shoot. Sorel for 3. 3 points brought to you by General Metal Container Corporation. 15 to shoot. Pass to piso. Oy, nakuha ni Sorel. Pass break to. Oy, naagaw. Pass to number 6. Sa Anthony Edwards ng green. No good. Tapos tira tayo. Agawan. It's a jump ball violation. Bola ng green. Okay, relax na kayo. Green tayo.
Sige, manood ka lang.
It's a blocking foul by number 10. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good. Kapit lang. 4 seconds. 4 seconds shot clock. Pass it down. May kasama pa foul. Who's foul it? 19. Rebound by number 9. Oy, solid! 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Ganda na rebound. 10 to shoot. Rebound na ng Green. 7 minutes and 55 seconds. 45. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 6. Good. Yung lang isa traveling. Foul by number 4. To shoot. Number 24 hit by Honda, personal foul. Second team foul by Green. Reserve sub.
Sige, okay na yan. Matatanda na kayo ha.
Rebound by number 29. Oh, 7 minutes exactly in the fourth quarter. There to shoot. Three seconds para matawid. 3 seconds. Tawag. 8 seconds violation. 14 seconds shot clock lang yan mga pero. Uy, stolen by Sorel. Sorel, ibinibigay na lahat. Grabe naman, what the putback by number 9. Ang Sakuragi ng Blue.
Palagori.
Easy 2 points by Anda. 38-39. Lamang ang Green. 50 to shoot. To shoot. Oh, walang pantay si number 29. 1 point lead by Blue. Number 19. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound, another. Good. Another turnover, stolen by number 29. Sorel. Foul tayo by number 33. Number 33. Lamang kayo isa. Kayo lamang, kayo. 40-39. Oh. Tapos na kayo sa laro. Kami bahala rito. 4 minutes, 55 seconds. Last quarter. Anda. Naiwan na naman libre. Oy, rebound by Nas. Grabe to. Ang lagi natin sa rebound. Nag-agawa na sila. Nanalo si number 29. 50 to shoot. Sorel for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. Foul by number 19. 13 foul. 4 minutes, 20 seconds, last quarter. 20 to shoot.
Loose.
15 to shoot. Another stolen na si number 29. Foul by number 11. Down lang po tayo. 14 seconds shot na. Foul na tayo dyan. Foul na tayo. Okay. Warning for penalty na po ang both teams. Two drop, no good. Rebound by number 19. 10 to shoot. Here's Derek by number 19. Dalawa. Second one. No good. Rebound by Sakuragi. Nakakuha ni Sorel. Pass to number 21. Number 21. No good. Rebound by number 24. It's an answer. Number 2 shot plus ball possession. No jumper.
Penalty ah.
Matik na yun, sir. Matik na.
Fourth quarter. Fourth quarter na po tayo mga sir. Fourth quarter na po tayo. Second drive, basket. Bola pa rin po ng blue. Fourth quarter na po tayo. Hindi nyo na ano kasi ang ganda ng laban. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 seconds. May foul tayo. Number 21, foul. Foul, 21 tayo, blocking foul.
Si Gadun.
Second personal foul, Gadun.
Two minutes and 55 seconds na po sa last quarter. Isa na lang po ang lamang ng blue. Number 21, dumidiskarte. Oy! Turnover! Upo tayo. Green na po tayo. Green. Tay.
Thank you.
2 minutes, 45 seconds. Last quarter. 20 to shoot. Rebound by Sorel. Naka-stole na nga ni number 11. Grabe, Hassel. Yun lang. Stole again. Oh, inabot na si Sorel. Napagod na. Last 2 minutes, 10 to shoot. It is a offensive foul by number 11. Illegal use of arms. 1 minute, 54 seconds.
Number 11, third personal foul.
Number 23. 1 minute, 35 seconds. 15 to shoot. Foul.
Fourth personal foul.
Okay. Fourth personal opposite nyo. Fourth personal foul. Second drive. Rebound by Sakuragi. Pass to number 23. 15 to shoot. Nagre-relax ng umubos oras. 10 to shoot. 7. Foul ref. Moving forward. Number 17, Sorel. Penalty.
Third personal foul, Sorel.
Third personal foul. Third personal foul by Sorel. Now good. 1 minute and 10 seconds in the last quarter. Kumapit na ang kakapit. Magdas. Covered. Rebound by number 19. Brought to you by General Metal Corporation. Corp of the Philippines. 1 minute exactly. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 4, good. Rebound by number 23. Gaganda na laban. Pass to number 11. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Ay, nakawalit ko rin. 20 seconds. Bend up. Shot ako. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. It's a overtime! Ang ganda ng laban! Ang ganda ng laban! Ha? Hello. Fifteen to shoot. Pass to 6, pass to 19, 10 to shoot. Okay, tayo mag-i-stop time. Sino kaya magwawagi? Para ang team ayaw bumitaw. 15 to shoot. That's silent there. 2 points time. 2 point lead by blue. Fifteen to shoot. All 45. Pareho. Yan ang championship. 15 to shoot. Number 21. Easy 2 points. Number 19, pass to number 6, huli ka! Foul tayo dyan, foul tayo dyan! Hit by the head! First personal foul. One point lead by blue. Kapit lang mga kapatid, kapit lang tayo. Second drive. Set up again, all 47. Yan. Hinaras, pass to number 19, number 9. Libre. Basket count. Basket count, foul by number 11. Labang uli ng dalawa. Number 11, warning for graduate. Number 11, warning for graduate. Thrower tayo mga sir. Basket! Ang ganda na pinapakita ngayon ni number 19. Base ng blue, base ng blue, base ng blue. Grabbing violation. Exactly. 15 to shoot. Nalibre si Sorel. Wala yan. 10 to shoot. Trouble again. Bola na ng green. Bola na ng... 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Rebound by Anda. Rebound again. 10 to shoot. Pwede ko nakikita. Oh, lumabas. Another 40 seconds. Number 6. Tawag tayo rebound ni Anda. Grabe naman si Anda. Isa na lang po ang kalabangan ng blue. Last 2 minutes! Last 2 minutes! 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rebound by number 11. Grabe yun, para si Tigda Dicen nung araw. Abuda. Anda! Lawang na po na isa! Grabe naman si Anda! Lawang na po ng isang green! 51! 1 minute, 30 seconds! 15 to shoot! Foul tayo dyan! Handshake! by number 16. Penalty.
Enrico, third personal foul.
Ang tawag natin sa foul is handshake. Nawawala ang progressive ng players. Laman ng isang blue. Balitan na po ang kalamangan. 1 minute and 20 seconds. $15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Block. Solid again. 46 seconds. 40 seconds. Foul. People. Coach, mga best natin, coach. Mga best natin. Oh! 52. Nangangamay na naman. Second try. Isa pa tayo. Isa pa tayo. Isa pa tayo. Isa pa tayo. Hintayin nyo muna tumama ng ring bago kayo pumasok. Rebound by Sakuragi. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Lalibig ni Sakuragi. 27 seconds. 25 seconds. Rebound by Sorel. 15 seconds. Foul. Dubura, 14.3 seconds.
Enrico, fourth personal foul.
Enrico. Wait lang. Kayo magpapaano ng team nyo. Seconds. Parehong sablay. 10 seconds.
Congratulations, blue team.
54-52. Kami tayo mga sir. Mga sir, blue. Kami tayo. Kami tayo. Taste the blue. Kami tayo. Kamay.
Solid's black. Yes.
Thank you, Catholic! Subscribe namin mo! Shoutout, Santa Lucia! Shoutout, sasama ko! Hindi na noon! Guys, makanood na to! Shoutout, Nation!